This episode explores how deep learning helps cities predict floods by analyzing real-time satellite imagery and sensor data. By running compact neural networks on edge devices, engineers warn communities minutes before storms without cloud delays. A regional team trains a model to detect rising water from radar feeds, balancing accuracy with low power use. They confront data gaps and biases and translate abstract metrics into clear, actionable messages for residents. The payoff arrives when a small model saves lives during a sudden surge, showing AI breakthroughs translating into everyday resilience.